Hello there friends from AHA team. I'm Akash and I'm here today to talk about the delivery timelines for the early adopters who have already placed the order for the Nextcruise system with us. All the necessary things which must have been done are going on. But before we start on that list, first here's a note for those of you who are looking forward to order the Nextcruise systems for you in the upcoming pre-orders round. So the good thing is that we are releasing a video on the 3rd of September, which is the coming Friday, and we are also opening the pre-orders on 3rd of September evening. So then over to the main agenda of this video, which is the delivery timelines of the Nextcruise system for the early adopters. So here we go. First of all, closing in on the features list of the final system. So this is the last opportunity in the near future where we are going to clearly define, and we are not going to change the features list beyond this boundary, which is this week basically. So two sources of inputs are going on. Number one, in the last video that I posted, there's a poll where we described all the features, all the possible features with the Nextcruise system, and then there is a poll which we requested your inputs. So that video and that poll, the form, the request for inputs is still open, and we have another few days, but we need to close down upon that before Friday when we release the video for the pre-orders. And the second source of inputs, of course, is our very dear Neat Squad, the Nextcruise early adopters team, and they have been putting the systems to test in and out, and coming back with a wealth of very important inputs which is going to perfect the Nextcruise system for all of you. We are going to release a video, the analysis of all the inputs, what those inputs are and what we are doing about it, in the next video, which is going to be posted most probably tomorrow or the day after tomorrow. So these are the two sources of improvements of the Nextcruise systems that you are going to get. So in the coming 2 to 3 days, the features list will be frozen, and we already have initiated the mechanical CAD. The first pre-final production version is already done. We have taken the 3D print for that, and we have been testing it in the car. We are also initiated the tooling, that is to make the mold of that. When we go to mass production, we'll need to make a mold for that, and then there are some ancillary objects for which there are punches and dies and various things which have to be made before we can start production with that. So all of those activities have already started. And then you'll be happy to know that the first iteration of the electronics of the final system is also there, and this is how it looks like right now. And now coming to the timelines. So today we are standing at the end of August 2021. From tomorrow, the September starts. So for any production system, there are various components. First is the mechanical, then there is the electronics, then the software, and then the production itself. So in mechanical, speaking specifically for the Nextcruise, we are going to have the molds and toolings of various components, which is the main body of the Nextcruise itself. Then there are some mounts and various ancillary objects which are needed to install the system in your car. So the tooling for all of that is underway, and it is going to take 6 weeks. Then the production of parts from those molds is going to take another 1 week. So that will take us to second week of October when it comes to the molds and the mechanical components. The off-the-shelf parts would have already been procured by then. The off-the-shelf components, what we mean by them is things like connectors and various components like nuts and bolts and various things which can be purchased off the shelf from the market. So the orders are already placed and the procurement is underway. Many of these components are arriving from the US and the Europe, and they are going to take their own lead time, but they are progressing as we speak. The electronics, as I shared, the PCBs are already here. Now we are going to take the PCB to pick and place, and basically the production will happen, a short run production, and on top of which we will do the first tests. The final PCB, the electronics, is going to happen 2 weeks from now, that is the 3rd week of September, and from there it is going to take another 4 weeks before the PCBs, all the new feedback can be incorporated and we can get them manufactured in mass scale and then get it back. The software, of course, is already being tested. The final version of the software, of course there are going to be changes depending upon the inputs of the NEET squared and the inputs of the POL that is ongoing, but all in all we are not going to take more than 4 weeks to complete the coding, because the heart of the whole system is already there and already tested very rigorously. The testing of this software is going to take another 3 weeks, and over this duration the system will go to many people, various cars, quite likely to the existing NEET members themselves, and they are going to retest the system and give their thumbs up. Then after all of this is sorted, which will be by the 2nd week of October, the production of the systems will start, which will essentially be assembly and the quality control. So we are planning 2 weeks for that, and add on it a buffer of 1 week for any unforeseen delays that might happen, and this takes us to the 1st week of November. Now here's what we really wish and we are targeting for, that the 4th of November is Diwali. We are giving it our heart and soul and all of the energy that the systems make it to you on or before Diwali. So that's the timeline that you can look forward to, and we'll keep you updated about the progress. We'll keep posting you various interesting things, and we'll have fun in this journey together. So please stay tuned. Looking forward to speak to you again. Goodbye from us.